Take a look at these blinds. At first glance, if you saw them from across the room, they may not look too bad, they may look white, but when you get up close, it's a completely different story. Every slat has years of grease built up on it, and once grease builds up, dust, dirt, and other debris just begins sticking to it like crazy. It becomes like a magnet. Over time, that buildup gets thicker, darker, and just much harder to remove. Today, I want to answer one simple question. Can all of this grease actually be removed, or has it been sitting there too long? First off, I want to say removing the blinds isn't absolutely necessary, but if you're going to clean them one by one with your hand, it's going to take you forever to get them clean. So taking them down is just going to make this job a whole lot easier. As I'm taking everything apart, I also want you to see here the top section of the blinds, because that's another area that collects a surprising amount of dust over time because it's hidden, right? And it just doesn't get cleaned and dusted regularly. Now let's move everything to the bathtub. This is where the magic is going to happen. Since these blinds have years of grease on them, I want to soak them with warm water and dishwasher detergent pods for at least a few hours. So I'm filling the tub up with warm water and I'm adding 2 pods, right? 2 dishwasher pods. And I just want to say, make sure it's warm water and not hot water, because hot water will warp some of these plastic blinds. So warm water is what you want. In that bag right there, I had a dishwashing pod that had broken apart, and so I'm just pouring the rest of it in the water. Dishwashing detergent removes grease from our dishes, and so what we're doing is applying that same concept to the blinds to soften up the buildup and remove the grease. I added a piece of plastic and I put a bucket of water on top to serve as a weight, just to ensure everything is completely submerged, and then I left them to soak for hours. Okay guys, so it's been here about 2 hours and still not happy with the way some of these blinds look. So what we're going to do is add a little OxiClean. Put that over there for now. We are going to dilute some OxiClean powder here. Use some of this stuff. So I'm going to take this, dilute it before we pour it in there. Let's see. Stick some of that in there. Put it on our lid. Shake it up. This off. This is an experiment, guys. Just an experiment. I like this challenge of trying to get that yellow off, get that caked on grease. Let's see what this does. After letting the blinds soak a few more hours with the addition of the OxiClean, now it's time to drain the bathtub, see what we're left with. At this point, I'm not trying to scrub every individual slat. As I mentioned, the point of soaking them was to avoid having to scrub every slat. Because if I was going to do that, well, I could have done that without taking them down. Now we're giving the blinds a light rinse with the shower sprayer to remove the dirty water and any loosened up residue from the surface. And you can already see the blinds are looking much cleaner. Once they're rinsed enough to move, I'm transferring the blinds outside in this plastic container. This keeps the mess contained and just makes it easier to carry everything outside without dripping dirty water throughout your entire house. Now that we're outside, I'm setting up a simple DIY rinsing and drying station, and I'm just using 2 ladders here and 2 mop poles. One pole is actually more of like a painter's pole, and the other one is actually a mop pole. But just 2 poles, doesn't matter which ones. This just gives me a place to hang the blinds so I can rinse them thoroughly and then allow them to dry. You don't need anything fancy for this. You just need a setup that keeps the blinds stretched out and off the ground. Just want to make sure everything is rinsed away, any leftover cleaner, loosened up grease and grime, and all that dirty water, we want all that rinsed away. Once everything is rinsed, I'm going to let these blinds dry all night long. And the next morning, I'll come back and we'll see how much grease actually came off. It is now the next morning, and the blinds have had plenty of time to dry. Now it's time to see how they turned out. Overall, I'm really happy with the results. The years of grease came off extremely well. The blinds look dramatically cleaner than they did before. I mean, they are glowing. They are white. They look fantastic. I'm really pleased with this job. So, can years of grease be removed from the blinds? I would say 100% yes. 100% yes. Now, if you look closely, you may notice there's still a few yellow areas on the slats. A lot of the yellow came off, but there's still a little remnant left, a little yellow discoloration left over. And the reason why is because that's not caused by the grease. That's actually called oxidation, and it's caused by the sun. I have a separate video where I actually explain exactly what oxidation is. If you want to know more about that concept, I'll leave that video listed and linked down below for you. The video should pop up on the screen. You click it on the screen and you can watch that video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. Really helps me out. And until next time, I will see y'all in the next video.